try with this. Show that for f from 0 1 to r defined by fx equal to x square for all x in 0 1. F of limit x tends to c fx is c square for any c inside 0 1. Okay. So you start with let epsilon greater than 0 be given. Okay. So mod of fx minus c square. C square is what? Mod of what is fx? Fx is x square. X square minus c square. Okay. So our intention is to make it smaller than epsilon. We will always try to make bring some term of the type mod of x minus c. Okay. So if I can make it less than k times mod of x minus c. Okay. In that case, this can be made less than epsilon by taking mod of x minus c less than what? Epsilon by k. So our intention should be this. Whatever be the function, I should be I should look to convert it of the form k into mod of x minus c. Okay. So every time it may not be possible. Here it will be possible. Okay. So what can I do? I can write it as what? X minus c into x plus c. Okay. And then I can write it this is equal to mod of x minus c multiplied with mod of x plus c. Okay. So can I write this is less than something? This is less than or equal to what? Mod x plus mod c multiplied with mod of x minus c. Here I mean triangle integral, or you can write it this opposite way, x plus c into x minus c. Okay. So instead of mod of x plus c, we can if we substitute mod of x plus mod of c, then this will be less than or equal to. Okay. This quantity is less than or equal to this. Okay. Right. So now, can I make it less than epsilon? By taking mod of x minus c what? Less than what? Epsilon by mod x plus mod c. So this is incorrect. Okay, because here x term is there. Okay, I should make this quantity independent of x. X okay. This quantity should be just dependent on epsilon, not on x. Okay.
Less than equal to.
Less than or equal to? It is a triangle inequality. Mod of x plus c less than or equal to mod x plus mod c. Okay. और इधर तो इधर जगह था Okay. Mod of x plus c. This is less than or equal to mod x plus mod c. Okay. You multiply both sides by the positive quantity mod of x minus c. This will be inequality will remain same. Mod x plus mod c multiplied with mod of x minus. Okay. Because this is modular. This is correct. Okay. Mod of x plus c less than or equal to mod x plus mod c multiplied with mod of x minus c. This is already there. Okay, so I have to make it less than some quantity which is not dependent on x. Okay. Should be independent of this x. So what should I write? Just consider see the domain. A domain in this domain, what is mod x? Mod x less than which will allow in this domain. What is the domain of the function? Domain of the function is 0 1. Open closed interval 0 1. So inside the closed interval 0 1, what is mod x? Mod x is less than 1. Less than or equal to 1. Mod x is less than or equal to 1. C is also inside 0 1. So mod c is also less than or equal to 1. Okay. So we don't have to worry about c. So we can just write this is less than or equal to 1 plus mod c into mod of x minus c for all x inside capital A. This is capital A is what? The side 0.
Sir, C change
C change no need to change C. Okay. You can keep it as C. So even if you change, it's not a problem. You can also write it as less than or equal to 1 plus 1. Okay, 2. You can write it as 2. Okay, so in that case, your delta will be epsilon by 2. Okay. So see the difference. This quantity is less than or equal to this for all x inside 0 1. Is 0 1 and and after this, so what I have got this. I have got mod of fx minus c square. This is less than or equal to 1 plus mod c multiplied with mod of x minus c. Okay. So this can be made less than epsilon for all x in A with mod of x minus c less than what? Epsilon by 1 plus mod c. Okay. So this is our delta. This is our delta. Okay. So if we take mod of x minus c less than epsilon by 1 plus mod c, okay, in that case this quantity will be less than epsilon. Okay. So the distance between fx and c square can be made smaller than epsilon by reducing the distance between x and c. Okay, like that. So this is the one. Okay. So now you try the similar problem with this. You try the similar problem with this AB. Instead of 0 1, it is AB. Okay. F from A to B, AB to R, defined by fx equal to x square for all x inside AB. So limit x tends to c equal to c square for any c inside AB. Inside the closed interval. Right? Try this. It will try. Yeah, exactly similar. Oh, so you complete this one. You complete what? Limit x tends to c of fx is equal to c square. This is the yeah, we have just changed the domain from 0 1 to AB. Okay, now the domain is AB. The function is same, functional expression is same. The domain is different. That means the function is different. Okay. So fx minus c square, right? Mod of this one x minus c by x plus c. All these are same. Here there will be some difference. Is a way to change it. So you can write mod of x less than what? Mod of x plus mod of this. So it will be less than or equal to what? আগেরটা তো mod x less than 1 লিখলাম এখানে mod x less than what? হ্যাঁ x lies between a and b.
What is this?
X lies between a and b. So mod x will lie between what? Mod x will be less than or equal to what? Huh? B mean. Not necessarily b. Not necessarily a also. What should be mod x less than or equal to? Say minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. From here I can write mod x less than or equal to 1. Minus 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. From here what can I write? Mod x is less than or equal to what? So number 1 will be mod x is less than or equal to 5. Minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Now mod x is less than or equal to what? This implies that mod x is less than or equal to 5 again. So when a less than x less than b, mod x is less than or equal to what? A will go on, b will go.
আগেরটা -5 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. Mod x less than 5.
Oh yeah, mod x तो 5 থেকে ছোট হইবো না।
1 থেকে
হ্যাঁ এখানে x equal to -4 নিলে mod x কত?
mod x
4 না নিলে 1 থেকে ছোট নিলে mod x less than or equal to 5. This is correct. This implies this is correct. The other way it is not true. এটা implies করে না। Mod x less than or equal to 5 does not imply that x lies between -5 and 1. It implies that mod of x lies between -5 and 5. So this is only one way implication. X identical. Okay. This is also one way implication. So from these, what should be this one? Mod x less than or equal to what? Huh? Idhar go. Maximum of what? A and B. So this is also incorrect. Up to define koro. Define level koro. This is also incorrect, but correct. 90% correct. Aro 10% lagega. Maximum of what? Huh? खाली maximum मिले तो होतो ना. Which is around 5. 5 is what? Can I write it maximum of -5 and 1? Maximum of mod A, mod B. Maximum of mod A, mod B. Okay. So when x lies between A and B, mod of x is less than or equal to maximum of mod A and mod B. Okay. So we can write that. Okay. So this is less than, so ये तो वो expression लिखा तो कर नहीं. Let us write it as this. Less than or equal to k plus mod c. Okay, k plus mod c, where k plus mod c into mod of x minus c. Okay, where for all x in A, where what is this k? K is equal to maximum of mod A plus mod A comma mod B. So we have found out an upper limit here. Upper bound mod of x plus mod c. This can be written as less than or equal to maximum of mod A mod B, less than or equal to maximum of x. Okay, so let me do it in a different way. Let me do it for c also. C lies between A and B, so c also will satisfy this. So let me write it as k plus k. Okay. Less than or equal to k plus k, where k is maximum of mod A mod B. Okay. But k plus c दियो लगते हो, no problem. Okay. Earlier case we had done it with including c. Now we are doing without c. Okay. Both are same thing. Okay. So ultimately what I have got, mod of fx minus c square. This is less than or equal to twice k mod of x minus c. A k टा कितना 0 ही तो बार बोली. Can k be 0? This k cannot be 0 because any one of them will be 0, other will be non-zero. This is an interval. Okay. So here A and B are unequal. It's not a singleton set. So we can just mention here A is not equal to B. A not equal. So k is non-zero. So this is non-zero, not equal to 0 as A not equal to B. And AB is an interval. A is not equal to B. So this can be made less than epsilon for all x in A, satisfying what? Satisfying 0 less than mod of x minus c less than what? For all x in A, satisfying 0 less than mod of x minus c less than epsilon by what should I write? Okay. Twice k into this is less than epsilon. So this is less than what? Epsilon by twice k. Okay. So this is your delta. This is equal to your delta. Okay. So for the given epsilon, our delta is epsilon by twice k. Okay. What is k? K is maximum of mod A. Okay. So therefore we can write limit x tends to c f of x equal to c square. Okay. For all c inside AB. This we can see inside AB. So in all these cases, our domain is bounded. Okay. A domain is bounded. Okay. We can find an upper bound. What is an upper bound? K is an upper bound. Okay, of this domain. Okay. But if I write the same function for this R to R, try this. F from R to R defined by fx equal to x square for all x inside R. Okay, don't देखो किधर. In that case, there will be some problem. For any C inside R. Okay, try this now.
Sir, mod c का क्या होगा?
star. So C is inside AB. C also lies inside AB, na? A less than or equal to C less than or equal to B. So mod C is also less than or equal to maximum of mod A mod B. C is also inside AB. You see the question? C for all C inside AB. AB with rest. So that is why you can write this is less than or equal. Okay, now I have changed. So here domain is R. Domain is R now. Okay. So what will be the देखो फंक्शनल वैल्यूটা কিন্তু সেম আর প্রত্যেকটা প্রবলেমে তোমার ডোমেইনটা চেঞ্জ হতে পারে নাও দ্য ডোমেইন ইজ আনবাউন্ডেড r is unbounded so in that case what will happen directly I cannot write anything here এখানে লিখতে পারবো okay from here I cannot write now means I cannot write something like mod x plus mod c into mod of x minus c. So inside R, this mod x may take any value. No? Mod x, this R is not bounded. Okay, it's not bounded above. So mod x, we cannot write mod x is less than k for every x in R. We cannot write it. Okay. এখন কিটা করা যায়? Okay, I have to show that the limit of this is c square. Okay. So one thing you know. When we talk of limits, we are actually very close to the point C. এই যে point C অনেক সামনে আছে okay so we don't have to think about the entire R পুরা real number এর কথা ভাবিয়ে লাভ নাই okay we are sufficiently close to the point C okay so we will think that suppose I take mod of C less than 1 mod of x minus C less than 1 okay we are finding out the limit at the point C okay so suppose we are restricting inside this particular thing c minus 1 to c plus 1 okay ওই জায়গার মধ্যে তোমার mod of x plus c টাকে বাউন্ড করতে okay we have to bind this mod of x plus c inside this particular neighborhood ওটার মধ্যে করতে okay right we are free to choose this particular thing means our working area ultimately we have to come very close to c okay so you start with say c minus 1 to c plus 1 এই এরিয়ার মধ্যে what is the behavior of the function okay so to find out the limits we need to analyze the behavior of the function in very small intervals okay very small neighborhood of c okay right so we don't have to think about the entire R here we can restrict our domain to this particular place okay so let us see means our idea is to make it less than epsilon by taking x very close to c okay so we don't have to think about the entire R and let us come close to c okay. So what we can do is so for x lying between c minus 1 to c plus 1 okay c minus 1 to or say for mod of x minus c less than 1 okay less than 1 we have so you try to find out what is this mod of x plus for mod of x minus c less than 1 what is mod of x plus c can I write mod of x plus c less than something okay that is what we do so what we can write is what is mod of x plus c we have mod of x plus c is equal to what mod of x minus c plus twice c mod of x minus c plus twice c so this is less than or equal to mod of x minus c plus twice mod c okay and this can be written as less than 1 plus twice mod c বুঝছো এভাবে লেখা যাবে if we take mod of x minus c less than 1 then we can write mod of x plus c is less than 1 plus twice mod c okay we can always write this okay hence mod of fx minus c square this is equal to mod of x plus c into mod of x minus c. This can be written as less than or equal to or strictly less than. This is actually strictly less than 1 plus twice mod c multiplied with mod of x minus c. For all x inside R satisfying mod of x minus c less than 1. Actually, our aim is to make this difference less than epsilon by coming close to c. Okay. So say we have come very close to c. The difference between us and c is 1. Okay. Suppose that is 1. In that area, what is the value of mod of x plus c? Okay. So ওই area মধ্যে mod of x plus c is actually less than 1 plus twice mod c. Okay. So ultimately we can write it this is less than 1 plus twice mod c into mod of x minus c in this area. A area mode. Okay, not in the entire R. Okay. This happens in this area. Okay, now can I make it less than epsilon? We can make it less than epsilon by taking mod of x minus c less than epsilon by 1 plus twice mod c. Okay, so what is our delta? Epsilon by 1 plus twice mod c. So here there is a problem. Problem ta kun jagah? Okay, if I take mod of x minus c less than epsilon by 1 plus twice mod c, okay, it may happen that 1 is smaller than this. 1 এটা থেকে ছোট হইবে. Okay, it may happen that this is smaller than this. Okay, so there is a confusion. This particular thing will hold only when this is less than 1. Okay, so we have to make sure the delta that we choose has to be smaller than 1. 1 থেকে ছোট হইতে হবে. Okay, so it may happen that this is greater than 1. এটা 1 থেকে বড় হইতে পারে. Okay, we are not sure because I don't know what is the value of c. Okay, so this particular quantity may be greater than 1 also. So but if this is greater than 1, then this particular thing will not hold. Okay, so that is why we have to make sure that the delta that we choose is less than 1. Okay, এটা 1 থেকে ছোট হইতে হবে. So what should be delta? Or 1 থেকে ছোট বা at least less than or equal to 1. Okay, delta should be less than or equal to 1. So what should I take? Delta, this one and this one. Out of these two, which one should I take as delta? If mod of x minus c is less than this, then this is less than epsilon. However, if mod of x minus c is less than 1, only then this is 2. So what should be delta? Delta should satisfy both the conditions. ওইটাও satisfy করতে লাগবে, এটাও satisfy করতে লাগবে. So what should be delta? Minimum of 1 and this quantity. Okay, ওই দুইটার মিনিমাম নিলাম, বুঝলেন? যদি 1 থেকে ছোট হয় তাইলে ওইটা satisfy করব, 1 থেকে বড় হইলে আবার এটা করতে হবে. Okay, so I have to make sure that delta should not be greater than 1. Okay, this is a random quantity. Okay, I am not sure whether this is greater than less than 1 or not. Okay, so that is why to be on the safe side we can take delta to be minimum of 1 and this one and this. Okay, right. Okay, so this is there satisfying this. Okay, so you can write what, let delta equal to minimum of 1 comma epsilon by 1 plus 2 mod c. Okay. Let delta equal to minimum of this two. Then mod of fx minus c squared. This is always less than epsilon by. This is always less than epsilon. This is always less than epsilon for all x in R satisfying mod of 0 less than mod of x minus c less than. So our delta is minimum of 1 and epsilon by 1 plus twice mod c. Okay. In that case, this difference will be strictly less than epsilon. Mod of fx minus c square. This will be strictly less than epsilon for every x in R satisfying this condition. 0 less than mod of x minus c less than delta. Okay. আজকে না, আজকে তো আমার আছে, মানে আমার আর সুদীপ স্যারের আছে। সুদীপ স্যারেরটা হইলো গিয়া ও তো ওখানে আসিল অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি নিলাইব মানে এখন বন্ধ করলাম আর বেশি প্রেসার দিয়ে লাভ নাই লোড বেশি হয়ে গেছে So delta is minimum of this. Hence, so from that after this you can write. Therefore, limit extends to c of x squared fx. So we have proved that limit extends to c of x square is c square. Whatever be the domain, this is always true. Actually, a stage our just apply the idea that this should be less than epsilon. Then mod of x minus c should be less than epsilon by 1 plus twice mod. You don't have to by heart. এগুলা by heart করার কোনো দরকার নেই. By heart যদি করো আর পারতা না. Okay? Don't by heart this thing. From here you can identify less than 1 plus twice mod c. From here you can identify the delta should be something like epsilon by 1 plus twice mod c. Then you can write. Clear? So at home you try to do this. Either try to f from r minus 0. Let's say from 0 1. First let us take from 0 1 to r defined by f of x equal to 1 by x. Show that limit x tends to c of fx is equal to 1 by c. Oh, sorry, 0 1 now. Should be equal to 1 by c for on c inside 0. But there is a problem with limit x tends to 0. So you try this.